Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can use Xnapper. So let's begin the video. Here for installing this app you have to go to your app store and here you have to search for Xnapper, and here you can see that I have already installed this app and I will open that. But here you can see install option in the place of open, so you can install the app from here. Once you are done, simply click on open for using this app. Now I will go and I will click on open, and here you can see basically how this Xnapper app looks. Here for using this app you have to click on select photos manually from gallery. You can do that. When you will click on that, our gallery will open next to you. And here for example, if I go and if I take a screenshot of this page, you can see that here I have taken a screenshot, and if now I click on select photo from gallery manually, here you can see this screenshot. I will use that. Here you can see basically how this edit page look in Xnapper. Here you have this size, you can see here shadow, padding, radius and inset and background options. I will teach you all about these options. Here you have one more way. You can open your photos and here you can pick any picture from here. As I did this picture, just you have to now click on share. Here you can see your social medias as well, so here you can see the Xnapper app option as well. Here you can scroll and you can see, and if you can't find that, simply click on this more option given in the last. Now here you can see all the apps. Here if you scroll down, here in the bottom you can see the Xnapper app. Simply click on that and you can see that we have export our picture in the Xnapper. Now here I will teach you how you can do the customization here. Now here let's first talk about the frame size. Here you have auto, you have 4:3, you have 3:2, YouTube size and square size as well, 1:1. You can select from these size. Here you can see all the size. I will just go with the YouTube one. You can click on more and here you can see Instagram frame, you can see here Facebook frame, LinkedIn frame, Snapchat, Twitter and YouTube frame. You can see here for Pinterest you further have more options. Similarly here for LinkedIn you also have many options, and for YouTube you also have two options here. I will just go with video thumbnail. Now here you also have this background where you can change the background. Here you can see, and if you click on these three dots, here you can see more options, all background options that you have, you can see here. Now let's talk about the shadow. Here when you will increase the shadow you will see a black color is appearing around the picture, and when you will reduce that you can see that it has been removed. That's how the shadow basically looks, and I think the picture looks much better without the shadow, so I will just remove the shadow from here. And here you have this border radius where you can make the photo more round or square. If you will increase the radius you can see that our photo has turned round, and if you will decrease that it will turn to square. Here you have this padding, basically it's for zooming in and zooming out. Now you can see that our picture has been zoomed out and now zoom in, and I will just adjust that in mid because it will look better in mid. And similarly you also have inset where you can adjust your logo in the frame. I will just go with mid here as well. Now let's talk about how you can remove the watermark. For that you have to go to setting, and here you can turn it off, and when you will turn the watermark off your watermark will be removed. Similarly here you can also edit that watermark as well, like if we go and if we write here for watermark maybe Guide Glimpse. Now I will just go and I will apply that. Now here you can see that for watermark Guide Glimpse is appearing here. You can also turn that off. Now you can see that watermark has been removed. That was basically all about how you can edit your photo in the Xnapper, and from here I will just turn on the watermark for now. From here you can also save by simply clicking on the save option, and here you can see that our picture has been saved. That was basically all about how you can do the editing. From here you can also go and you can share. Here you can share that to any person or any app, and that was basically all about how you can use Xnapper app. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.